Hello, this is Paul from Reviewed For You, and today I'm going to review SAS Affiliate, the new course by Jason Calori and Barry Plasko. And as you can see on this page, which you can find at marketingonlinecourse.com, I'll put the link below later on, you will see here that there is a webinar. And in this webinar, Barry and his guests, including obviously Jason and Mike Long and other people from the OMG group, will be sharing just what is in this course, but I'll give you a brief outline anyway. So basically, the idea behind this is that using Groove funnels to quickly and easily create web pages and websites, which have a huge advantage over, for instance, a WordPress website or a ClickFunnels website, in that the Groove funnels pages load up lightning fast, which is one of the things that Google looks for when it comes to ranking them on Google search. And also it's very optimized for mobile as well, which is another key ranking factor. And not only that, behind the scenes on Groove pages, you just type in the keywords you want to rank for, and the keywords are put in by the codes behind the scenes by the Groove Funnel software, which is incredible. So the purpose of this course is to show you how to build these websites and get them to be absolutely optimized, so that you can be looking to get free traffic from Google or any other search engine such as Bing. And it's got on here Groove Funnels sales formula: legally steal high affiliate commissions from buyers on the verge of purchasing without spending a penny. And what that's referring to is that quite often people like Really Successful and other people as well have affiliate offers whereby you can earn commission by promoting the products they sell on webinars. Now, when someone goes onto a webinar, first thing they do after seeing the webinar quite often is to type into Google such and such a product review, just to check whether it's legit, just to see what people's feedback is, and to confirm in their own mind whether it's a worthy purchase. Now, if you follow this training, you'll be able to build these web pages, and you'll be able to have them so that they're right there on the front page of Google, so that when people have finished with watching the webinar, they'll be able to click onto your website, click on your links on your website, and then you pocket the commission. And what's happening with this particular course as well, as an added bonus, you get access to some high ticket affiliate offers that Really Successful promote, such as eBus, the eBay underground system, and also this course as well, obviously. So right now I'm going to show you inside the members area, and I must say I'm 54% of the way through this, as you can see. So I've completed all of the main training here, which includes how to pick the right products to promote, keyword research. Now, if you're a beginner, this is absolutely brilliant, because I've had a look at some other training on keywords and using keywords in your websites, and quite frankly a lot of it's quite confusing. But the way Jason does it is everything in this course is done for beginners, so I've had no problems at all in grasping what's being taught here. And then it talks about writing content, whether that's writing it yourself, or else they've got some recommended writers that you can outsource the whole thing to if you wanted to. And then here, this is really brilliant. The thing about getting new software like Groove Pages is sometimes it takes a while to get used to it and to learn how to use it properly. But here we've got 13 lessons on exactly how to create your Groove Pages websites and pages. Everything here is explained in absolute minute detail, so you'll have no problem at all in getting a fast start on doing this. And then also the most important thing of the course obviously is about SEO, search engine optimization, and here it shows you how to use the SEO settings in GrooveFunnels and in the content. And then it goes on here to talk about building links, such as using YouTube videos, Facebook pages, Instagram, and also there's some information there on other links, and some of that information is only for members, so that's worth looking at in particular. And then here we've got some next steps. And one of the great things about this course is it's got some templates. So basically, what you will find is all the templates here are things that you can just copy and paste into a blank page of GrooveFunnels, and then you've got a ready-to-go website. All you have to do is just change the words to how you want them to be, and then obviously put in your links. And it's not just for affiliate, you can use this for local services as well. For instance, if you wanted to run an SEO agency, there's a ready-made website there for that. Or if you wanted a blog, for example this one here on coffee, or you could do a website about travel. There's so many opportunities here. Now these are the ones included within the course. In addition, there is a Facebook group that you can choose to join if you would like to. I believe it's $1 just for a 7-day trial, and you can test it out and have a look and see if you like it. And inside there are some more templates that you can use. So you've got all of these. So you're never going to run out of ideas and templates and things to get a kickstart on making websites or pages on GrooveFunnels, which is absolutely brilliant. This is a very good and useful group. If you stay on longer than the 7 days, it does cost $97 a month, but it also can include some extra training, and also obviously the most important thing is the support that you get through here as well. And one of the things that Jason has done is actually to review people's websites that they've put up. So yeah, that's something that you should definitely consider joining once you've become a member of SAS Affiliate. Now there's also live recordings within the course, and these are added on once a week or even twice a week, and these are up to 1 or even 2 hours long. So the value you get in this course is absolutely phenomenal. As you can see, I've got I've still got another 8 of these to watch, and then we've got this one here which talks about Fusion, which is about building a SEO agency of your own. And then there's they get special guests on here as well, such as Mike Long and other members of the OMG Machines SEO experts group. Okay, so that pretty much shows you everything that is in the course. So now to go on to the pricing of this. So if you were to go onto marketingonlinecourse.com, then you would come over to the order page here, and as you can see, it's one-time payment of $397 or 3 payments of $167. I can tell you that I'm absolutely loving this course, and I've found it extremely useful, and I've even set up a few websites of my own, and I've done that within a couple of weeks, and it's been so easy to do this and so easy for a beginner. If you haven't got a Groove Pages or GrooveFunnels account, then you'll need to get one of these immediately. If you click on the link at the top of this page, you'll be able to sign up and get a free account, and with that you can build some free websites so that you can get an idea and a flavour of the whole thing. You've got the option to upgrade to get more websites and more features if you wanted that as well. But overall, in conclusion, this course is very, very well worth getting, and I would have no hesitation in recommending it. Now, if this is still of interest to you, what I recommend you do next is watch the webinar on this page. It's about an hour long, but it will literally tell you everything you need to know about this course. And that pretty much wraps it up. So thank you very much for listening and watching, and I hope you found this useful. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, as there'll be more reviews of useful products. And also, if you wouldn't mind putting a like and a comment, that will be very much appreciated. Thanks very much and have a good day. Thanks. Bye.